Hi, my name is Mr. Dominici, and I teach here at Crystal Lake Central High School. Within the Industrial Arts Department, I teach many different classes, including Small Engines, Auto 1, Dual Credit Auto 2, Robotics and Drones Technology, as well as PLTW, Principles of Engineering, as well as Digital Electronics.
The first unit we cover in Robotics and Drones Technology is drones. And in this portion of the class, we study many different topics related to the safe operation of a drone in shared airspace. Some of these topics include how to fix a drone, FAA rules and regulations, how to navigate the sky, photography, career exploration, weather reporting, and much more. Additionally, we spend the majority of the semester building a drone called the Parallax Electives while learning the subsystems including batteries, electric motors, and physics of flight. Lastly, we practice flying using this drone. All of this provides you with the knowledge and skills to be able to fly a drone safely at home or in a career. Additionally, during our photography unit, we use professional drones including the DJI Phantom 4 Pro and the DJI Spark. Both of these drones are used primarily for taking professional quality photos and videos to learn the ins and outs of the drone photography business. In the robotics portion of this class, we learn how to code using the Parallax Activity Bot. During this time, we learn how to read and write code, troubleshoot, and program a robot to do a variety of tasks including driving forward, driving backward, making turns, and self-driving tasks including obstacle avoidance using sonar, sensors, and touch sensors. Additionally, we talk about the careers involved in coding including engineering, systems development, app development, and other freelance coding work. Thank you, and if you want more information, visit our website at d155.org/CLC and find the course selection guide.